Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman and in this video we are going to see 1 month strategy for accounts for CA Foundation June 24 attempt. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Talking about the module 2, the three most important chapters from module 2 are the company's accounts, accounts from incomplete records, which is a newly added chapter, and NPU. Okay, I have not mentioned partnership because it is a lengthy chapter and you don't have much time to complete it. If you have already completed it, it's okay. So, three chapters from module 2: company's accounts, accounts from incomplete records, and NPU. Got it? Coming to the module 1, the most important chapter from module 1, I would say, is the final accounts. Final accounts of non-manufacturing entities and final accounts of manufacturing entities. Okay, you have to do final accounts because it comes usually of 15 to 20 marks and it would give you so much of marks by investing less time. Got it? Coming to the accounting process, okay, journal entries. All the accounts students are very familiar with journal entries. Do journal entries, ledgers and trial balance, and then subsidiary, cash book and rectification of errors. Don't ignore these chapters. It would take very less time. Okay, now next four chapters are bank reconciliation statement, inventories, depreciation and amortization, and bills of exchange and promissory notes. Among these four chapters, the two most important chapters are bank reconciliation statement and bills of exchange. The other two chapters, inventories and amortization and depreciation, you can ignore them, but if you have time, do these chapters also. But the most important chapters are bank reconciliation statement and bills of exchange from these four chapters. Got it? Now, last but not least, the theoretical framework along with the true and false. So true and false and theory, you don't have to ignore them and you can't ignore them. Do true and false and theory part as soon as possible. Don't ignore them for your last time. Okay, do it by as soon as possible and then revise as much as you can. Got it? So in this 1 month, what you have to do is you have to cover your syllabus as much as you can, the most important chapters which I have mentioned. Okay, so do them and solve questions as much as you can. The module is the most important book for you, so solve all the questions of module as much as you can, and if you get time, solve RTPs and previous year questions also. But the module questions are very important. Most of the questions which you are going to see in your exam will be from module itself. So module questions are very important, don't ignore them. Okay, utilize your 1 month and you are going to score very good marks in your exam. If you have liked the whole video, then like in this video, and if you have any queries, then without any hesitation do comment in the comment box. And if you have any personal queries regarding your CA Foundation exam, you can also message me on Telegram and join the Telegram group which I have made, CA Aviators, and I have mentioned its link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.